Welcome back to Stylized Station, a platform dedicated to sharing free knowledge with the digital art community. Today, we're going to learn how to create this beautiful stylized cave scene, and learn how to create simple stylized assets, stylized grass shaders in Unreal Engine, how to make fluffy foliage, and some stylized texturing. Speaking of texturing, if you want to learn how to master stylized texturing using Substance Painter, feel free to join our latest course, where you'll learn how to create beautiful stylized textures from scratch, including anime and Studio Ghibli-style textures. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to consider getting the course. Now let's get into the video.
Hello everyone, my name is Nikolas Volchenko. Today I would like to make a small breakdown of my recent work. In this video I will tell you how to quickly create simple stylized stones and add glowing magic runes to them, how to create a simple landscape master material, how I made the grass, and as a bonus how to make a stylized tree in Speedtree. I see no reasons to explain the importance of composition, and I don't have much knowledge on it, so let's go straight to creating assets. First, we make a road shape with a small poly count. Now add polygons, do a clay polish, and clean up the edges by hand. To save time, I retopologize with zero mesh. Do remesh and project details from high poly. UV I made in Maya baking marmoset. Texture the stone in the Substance Painter. For styling, you need as many gradients and smooth transition as possible. Add some noise to material, add gradients to the edges. Little material adjust in Unreal Engine. Magical runes. For the runes, we only need the opacity mask. Create material, choose Decal mode, connect opacity. Color is multiplied by a scalar and connected to emissive. Apply the material to the decal. Master material. Create a new material and enable use material attributes. Create two nodes set material attributes. Add a layer blend node. For the first material, set the blend mode to weight blend, for the second, height blend. Apply the material to the landscape. Go to Paint mode and create weight blending if layers for each material. Result when connecting all materials maps. For the grass, we need a transparency map and gradient to adjust the color and intensity of the wind. For convenience, I have divided these maps into R and G channels, blending two colors by gradient. The color goes to base color and emissive at the same time. How to create wind animation, I will leave the tutorial in the description. Use the same principle to create flowers and diversify the vegetation. First, we need transparency map for the leaves and bark material for the trunk. Create leaf material and low opacity map. Create a mesh for this material. Do not forget to set two-sided mode. Duplicate the material and create the next mesh. Now let's create a material set. Add leaves to it. Let's move on to creating a tree. Create a trunk, add branches to it. Add foliage to the branches. Apply leaves material sets on the leaves. At any time you can switch to the node editing mode for more control. Some generator setting tweaks. Add the wind. Create bark material and load maps. Apply this material to the tree. The randomize button allows for a wide variety of results. Import the tree into the Unreal Engine and uncheck the Tangent Space Normal checkbox in the foliage material settings. This is necessary in order to have softened shading. I use the same principle to make fir tree. And that's all. Hope this video was helpful. Bye!